Back to my channel. I'm Ibrahim. On today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix silent switch button that stops working. This is not the type of videos that you have ever watched. It works 100% and without waste of money. Because I also went to this same situation, and all the alternatives I found during my research was I have to fix the entire silent switch button, which will cost you around $50. But for me, I was looking for a free way to fix it. So eventually I found a very simple way to fix it out without waste of money, which I'm going to be showing you now. So let me take you down to my screen to show you how to do that. Well, the first thing we're gonna do is we have to go to settings. But before that, let's check up the dialer. Here I'm going to dial numbers. As you can hear, there is no sound, which indicates that the phone is in silent mode. So let's go back to settings. Let's activate the flight mode. Now all you have to do is go to general, then accessibility, then assistive touch. Here it is. Activate it. Now you'll see something pops on your screen. You can move it anywhere you like. Let's leave it here. Press it. Go to device. You'll see a bell with unmute. All you have to do now is press it. Now it's mute. You'll see an arrow cross on the bell. So now if you went back to your dialer and dial numbers, you'll be able to hear sound. And also if someone's call you, you'll be able to hear the ringtone. That's all. But before I end up this video, I'm going to be giving you a bonus on how to use assistive touch. You can use assistive touch in so many ways. You can go to your notification from here. Control center. In device, you can lock the screen. You can rotate it to any direction. You can increase the volume. You can decrease volume and more. Here is the most important part. Multitasking, reachability. You can also take a screenshot from here. This is the most easiest way to take a screenshot without pressing the power button and the home button. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and I hope you all are now able to fix your silent switch yourselves without wasting your $50. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also don't forget to share with your family and friends, because it might help them a lot. See you next time. Peace.